think we started playing tin whistle in the school at 9. And we were so lucky to have this amazing teacher and musician, Mary Finn, from Ballymote in Sligo. So she came to our school to teach us music. And I think I was 12 when I started the fiddle. And then we went to classes after school in Rinvile as well. You see, Grandad played the fiddle and his sisters played the fiddle. So fiddle was like, this is what you're going to play. We didn't really get a choice. There was no escaping fiddle for us, you know, so we used to go back to our grandparents' house in Clifton weekly, and Grandad had a huge obsession with playing of Michael Coleman, the great fiddle player from Sligo. So he used to send us down to the room to listen, like we were only 12, 13 starting off. He used to go down there and listen to Michael Coleman. Yeah, there was no getting away from not playing the fiddle. It was the fiddle and that was it.
And I know the choice of having an older sister, she was like, just pick up the fiddle, will you? We'd have grown up listening to a lot of duet fiddle playing, really.
Good, strong, powerful fiddle playing like Willie and Joe Kelly from New York, Paddy Fahey, Lucy Farr.
Ben and Charlie Lennon and
absolutely.
James and Paddy Glack, and you know, there was so many great
fiddle duets. Again, we're drawn to that sound. And it's just funny, like our great aunts both played fiddle. So, you know, it's within us and it's in us. And no matter how you look at it, we just love that sound.
Tá tuiscint agus teanga idir an bhirt. Tá si de gcónaí ag fiochas suas páirtní éagsúla ó COMADÓIR ar nós Paddy Fahey, Paddy O'Brien, Joe Liddy, Martin Mulhare, agus ag sceapa an stór mór mílteach sin amach ina measc an tradiisiún, agus tá sé sin tharbh tábhachtach don tradiisiún agus don todhchaí.
We both teach. I teach in Westport and Galway, and Liz is in South Connemara.
I teach in Comas, and I teach in Letterfrack School, in our school where we learned Salogust Letterfrack School. And she's 10 now. She started learning Shanos dancing and she loves it. So I'm actually teaching her fiddle and all her class nearly. It's about 16 fiddle players in the school. So we were teaching Paddy Fahey's tunes and our own tunes and traditional tunes, and we just love what we do and we don't even refer to it as work. It's just a passion of teaching, passing it on.
I've watched the girls grow into these fine fiddle players and I am so happy for them this year's recipients of the Gradam for Groupa Ceoil. They deserve it and we are also proud of them here in Connemara.
They have a natural chemistry that you can only get as siblings. And when they play together, they play as one. They're so deserving for this Gradam and I'm so proud of them. Congratulations, ladies. Enjoy your night.